Hi, today I come with a question which is asked in CSIR June 13 and which is based on the symmetric group. What does symmetric group say exactly, and how can one find the group of order 12, and how can you find such type of groups which are isomorphic to such certain group of order 12? As in the problem here is asked, we have given let Sn denote the symmetric group on n symbols. Okay, the group S3 cross Z2 is isomorphic to which of the following group? Among the we are asked, check whether this is isomorphic to this one or not, this is isomorphic to this one or not, A4 is isomorphic to this one or not, D6 is isomorphic to this one or not. We need to check whether. Okay, uh, guys, you know that first two options suddenly rejected. Why? Because based on one theorem, every non-abelian group cannot be isomorphic to an abelian group. You know that Z modulo 12, this is isomorphic to what? Z modulo 12. This is isomorphic to what? Z mod Z6 cross Z2. This is cyclic as well, but this is a both are abelian, but S3 cross Z2 is a non-abelian. How can I check it's non-abelian? Yes, test 3 is non-abelian, so this is non-abelian. Okay, it's I left it for your exercise. Okay, check, prove that S3 is non-abelian. Okay, is just nothing. Okay, nothing, only draw S3 and chose any two element. Okay, different cyclic decomposition, they may not abelian. Choose 1 2 and 1 3 2, they may not abelian. Okay, if you choose the same cyclic decompositions element, that always be abelian. Okay, don't choose the same cyclic decomposition. Cyclic deposition, I mean to say that whose order are different and nature are as well different. Okay, cyclic decomposition. So uh, S3 cross Z2 is non-abelian, but this is abelian and this is abelian, so our first option and second will be rejected. Okay, will be rejected because S3 cross Z2 is non-abelian and this both are abelians, but A4 is non-abelian and D6 is non-abelian. How do I know these are non-abelian? Because an is non-abelian for every n greater than or equal to 4. an is non-abelian for every n greater than or equal to 4, and dn is non-abelian for every n greater than or equal to 3. Okay, now how can I check whether A4 and D6 and S3? How? Now we need to check their structural properties. Okay, two groups are said to be isomorphic if they have the same structural, they have same structure. Okay, now A4, you know that the structure of A4 is what? Identity element and takes some even permutation. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 3 2 4 and 1 2 1 3, and here let me take 1 4 2 3. Okay, and another are even A4 takes only even permutations 1 2 3 1 2 4 1 3 4 and what 2 3 2 3 4. Okay, and take its inverse element 1 3 2 1 4 2 1 4 3 2 and 4 3. Okay, just take 1 2 3 and take 3 2 3 2 4 2 4 4 2. Okay, and order of this is 12 and this 4 and the okay 12, these are all. And here A4 has 8 elements of order 3, but you know that D6. Okay, please, just based on the result, dn. Okay, if n is odd, then number of elements of order 2 in dn is n. Okay, if n is even, then number of elements of order 2 in dn or n plus 1. Okay, here my d6, here is my d6. Okay, and 6 is what? Even. So it has 7. d6 has 7 elements of order 2. Why do I check order of 2? Because dn's are knowns for the order of 2. Okay, it has always number of elements of order 2 are always greater than greater than any order of any element, different orders element. Okay, d6 has dn has always number of elements of order 2 always greater than other numbers. Okay, so I have chosen here uh, order 2. So clearly, but a4 has only 3 element of order 2, d6 has 7 element of order 2, so d6 cannot be isomorphic to a4. We only need to check s3 cross z2. Okay, and just go on s3. You know that s3 contains this element 1 2 2 3 1 3 2 1 2 3, and my z2 takes 0 1. Okay, its order is 1, its order is 2. We only need to check the order decides the structures of the elements. Okay, and its order is 3. So now the combined order is what? 1. LCM of 1 with 1 is 1, LCM of 1 with 2 is 2, LCM of 2 with 1 is 2, LCM of 2 is 2, LCM of 2 with 1 is 2, with 2 is 2, LCM of 2 with again 2. Okay, LCM of 3 with 1 is 3, LCM of 3 with 2 is 6, LCM of 3 with 1 is 3 and 2 with 6. So this type of elements order. So s3 cross z2 takes 7 element of order 2. Okay, but a4 doesn't take 7 element of order 2, so s3 cross z2 cannot be isomorphic to a4 as well. Fine. So option third is going to be false. If option third says that this is isomorphic with this, is going to be false. So now we only need to check d6. Okay, what is d6? Alpha square, alpha cube, alpha 5, alpha 6 is what? Identity. Okay, and here let me take alpha beta, alpha square beta, alpha cube beta, alpha to power 4 beta, alpha to power 5 beta, and this is same beta because alpha to power 6 is just an identity element. Okay, and this has an order 6, this has 3, because alpha to power 6 makes identity, so it's sixth. If I raise its power 6 makes identity element, so its order is 6. If I raise here 3, it's become identity. Here 2 raised power this becomes identity, and here I need to raise 3, so it's become alpha to power 12. It can't become alpha to power 6, so alpha to power 12, and that becomes alpha to power 6 to power 2. Identity to power 2 is identity. Fine, and here is also its order is what? 6. Fine, and this is 1. You know that all elements of this has element order 2. Okay, so s3 cross z2 has 2 element of order 3. Here is also 2 element of order 3. Here is 2 element of order 6. Here is also 2 element of order 6, 1 element of order 1, and other elements of order 2. Same here. Same here. So S3 cross Z2 is isomorphic with D6. Fine. Now, guys, you know how the question is constructed, how the problem is constructed by CSIR. They only need your thinking. How do you think? Just based on your thinking. How do you think? Can you think? But they want. Okay. Now I give you the question: is D3 is S3 cross Z2 is isomorphic with? Is this is true? Check please it. Please do it. It's exercise for you. Please do it. Don't be forget. Okay. S3 class 2 is isomorphic or not. Okay. And since also check S3 is isomorphic to is S3 isomorphic with D3. Okay, also check it. Also please check it. Don't miss it. Okay. It is clear that in next CSI exam, CSIR net, they may not ask same question, but they may use the same concept. Fine. They may change the order. They may change the another. They may change A4 instead of D3 cross Z2. Fine. There are many different things they may change. So one only need to analyze the order of the particular group. Okay. So now let me please do it. Don't be forget it. Don't be forget it. Be careful about it. So please, after seeing this video, please share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and please comment. Please comment. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.